Assalamualaikum. Myself Dr. Khan Rumana from Zoology Department, JT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Dear students, आज का जो मेरा वीडियो है it is based on MCQs on fertilization part 2. We already studied about the part 1. Now, fertilization is a topic from TYBSc Zoology paper 5th Embryology. Now we see first question. Egg development without fertilization is known as egg development without fertilization. Unfertilized egg से अगर development होता है, young ones are developed, this phenomena is known as options हैं A. parthenogenesis, B. metagenesis, C. gametogenesis, D. oogenesis. As you know that correct answer is A. parthenogenesis. When the development takes place from unfertilized egg. For example, in case of honeybee, in honeybee, drone जो होते हैं male members are haploid because they developed from unfertilized egg. They having only a single set of chromosome. जबकि जो फीमेल्स जो होती हैं वर्कर और क्वीन बी जो होती है दे आर डेवलप्ड फ्रॉम द फर्टिलाइज्ड एग एंड दे आर डिप्लॉयड दे हैविंग 2 sets of the chromosome. Next question is after a sperm has penetrated an ovum in the process of fertilization, entry of further sperm is prevented by. Option है condensation of yolk, development of the vitelline membrane, formation of the fertilization membrane, development of pigment coat. As you know that correct answer is entry of fertilized egg के अंदर entry of another sperm is prevented by the formation of fertilization membrane, and such membrane is formed by the exocytosis of the cortical granules which are present in the egg or oocyte. They secrete substances and these substances form envelope around the fertilized egg, and because of the presence of such membrane or envelope which is called as a fertilization membrane, another sperms can't enter or penetrate inside the fertilized egg. Then correct answer is C. Membrane secreted by egg cytoplasm is called as primary membrane, secondary membrane, tertiary membrane, internal membrane. Correct answer is tertiary membrane. egg cytoplasm जो membrane को secrete करते हैं उसको जो tertiary membrane कहते हैं. Correct answer is a tertiary membrane. What is the acrosomal reaction? Acrosomal reaction क्या होता है? The acrosomal reaction is a repulsive interaction between the sperm and the egg. B is the acrosomal reaction is the digestion of the acrosome by the sperm when it encounters an egg, and the acrosomal reaction is the digestion of the zona pellucida permitting the sperm to contact the egg, and D is the acrosomal reaction is the fusion of the sperm and egg plasma membrane. Dear student, correct answer is C. The acrosomal reaction is the digestion of the zona pellucida. As you know that acrosome having a lytic enzyme which is called as a hyaluronidase, and such hyaluronidase digest or break the zona pellucida of the egg membrane. Zona pellucida को digest करके जो है वो sperm मुझे they penetrate inside the egg. So correct answer is C. What is the cortical reaction? The cortical reaction is the fusion of egg cortex with the egg plasma membrane which allow the sperm to enter. Yeah, B option is the cortical reaction is the entry of Ca2 plus ion into the egg which initiate development. C, the cortical reaction is the exocytosis of the cortical granules. During egg maturation which contain the components of the zona pellucida. The cortical reaction is the depolarization of the plasma membrane after sperm entry, which help to block polyspermy. So dear student, correct answer is the C. Cortical reaction is the exocytosis of the cortical granules during egg maturation, which contains the components of the zona pellucida. और यही कॉर्टिकल ग्रैन्यूल्स जब आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन ये क्या करते हैं, दे मेक द फर्टिलाइजेशन मेम्ब्रेन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. कैपेसिटेशन occurs in epididymis, uterus, female genital tract. Vast difference. Correct answer is C. Capacitation means when the sperms are ready to penetrate or to fertilize the egg. जब अपने आप को तैयार करते हैं for the penetration or for the fertilization, this phenomena is called as a capacitation, and this capacitation occurs in female genital tract में होता है. Correct answer is C. Sperm activation in female reproductive tract is also known as sperm activation. अभी मैंने आपको बताया capacitation is takes place in female genital tract. तो sperms are activated in the female reproductive tract is also known as. Options हैं A acrosomal reaction, B insemination, C capacitation, D spermiation. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज कैपेसिटेशन. जब स्पर्म्स एक्टिवेट होते हैं, दे आर रेडी टू फर्टिलाइज द एग. दिस फिनोमिना इज कॉल्ड एज अ कैपेसिटेशन एंड इट इज टेक्स प्लेस इन द फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ट्रैक्ट. Cortical granules release from ovum to prevent acrosomal reaction, polyspermy, capacitation. D is all. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज कॉर्टिकल ग्रैन्यूल्स जब फर्टिलाइज्ड एग से बाहर आते हैं तो ये क्या करते हैं, दे फॉर्म दी फर्टिलाइजेशन मेम्ब्रेन विच प्रिवेंट दी पॉलिस्पर्मी. मीन्स दूसरे स्पर्म्स को फर्टिलाइज्ड एग भी पेनिट्रेट होने से रोकने का काम करते हैं. Which of the following is generally least in number? First polar body, secondary polar body, primary follicles, secondary oocyte. तो सबसे कम नंबर जो होते हैं वो सेकेंडरी oocyte के होते हैं. करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. पॉलिस्पर्मी इज प्रिवेंटेड बाय वेरी सिंपल depolarization of membrane, B formation of fertilization membrane, C cortical reaction, D all of these. As you know that polyspermy is prevented by formation of fertilization membrane. Correct answer is B. Anti-fertilizing is located on ovum, uterus wall, sperm head. D all. So dear student, anti-fertilizing is present in the sperm head and it is released when the egg release the fertilizing. जब egg fertilizing को release करते हैं तो उसके reaction में जो वो head of the sperm release a substance which is called as a anti-fertilizing. The chemical substance called fertilizing perform which of the following function? It activates the sperm. It attracts the sperm by positive chemotaxis. It agglutinates the sperm. D none of these. तो fertilizing, these are the chemical substances released by the egg. और जब ये रिलीज होती है तो इसके एवज में, इसके रिएक्शन में स्पर्म जो होते हैं, दे रिलीज द सब्सटेंस विच इज कॉल्ड एज अ fertilizing, and this reaction is called as a fertilizing and anti-fertilizing reaction. And this phenomena, इस दौरान क्या होता है, it agglutinates the sperms. एग स्पर्म जो होते हैं दे एग्लूटिनेट्स, उनमें जो वो एग के करीब जाकर उसमें जो वो उनमें जो एग्लूटिनेशन होता है, रिएक्शन होता है एग और स्पर्म्स के दरमियान में. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज इट एग्लूटिनेट द स्पर्म. Polyspermy is normally prevented by fertilizing and anti-fertilizing reaction. response of excess number of ova, inability of some sperm to penetrate ova, D, formation of fertilization membrane. Very simple, D is the correct answer. Polyspermy is normally prevented by formation of fertilization membrane. The fertilization membrane is formed by the cortex of cytoplasm, B, diffusion of cortical granules with vitelline membrane, diffusion of cortical granules with outer surface of the membrane, D, diffusion of inner surface of the membrane with the outer surface of the membrane. So dear student, correct answer is B, diffusion of the cortical granules with vitelline membranes. Cortical granules जो है वो when exocytosis of the cortical granules are takes place, they form envelope or layer with vitelline membrane, and this membrane or layer is called as a fertilization membrane. तो इस तरीके से जो fertilization membrane का जो है वो डेवलपमेंट होता है. Which is true about fertilizing? Fertilizing composed of glycoprotein plus monosaccharide plus amino acid. B, fertilizing composed of lipid. Fertilizing composed of monosaccharide. Fertilizing composed of protein. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, फर्टिलाइजिंग कंपोज्ड ऑफ. किस चीज़ से मिलकर फर्टिलाइजिंग बनती है? ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन, मोनोसैक्राइड एंड अमाइनो एसिड्स. दीज आर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट और कंपोनेंट ऑफ द फर्टिलाइजिंग. ईच एंड एवरी एग, हर स्पेसीज के जो एग जो होते हैं, दे हैव देयर ओन कॉन्स्टिट्यूट. उनके जो फर्टिलाइजिंग जो होते हैं उनके अपने अपने अलग कंपोनेंट या कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट होते हैं. आमतौर से फर्टिलाइजिंग they are made up of glycoprotein, monosaccharide and amino acids. Enzymes for fertilization present in acrosome of sperm, nucleus of sperm, tail of sperm, neck of sperm. Very simple. Acrosome of the sperm having the enzyme which is called as a hyaluronidase, which digest the egg membrane. The correct answer is A. Fertilization cone is formed during meeting the gametes, penetration of the sperm, activation of egg, amphimixis. तो correct answer is meeting of the gamete. Fertilization cone is formed जब sperm एग मेम्ब्रेन को पेनिट्रेट करते हैं, उसको डाइजेस्ट करके उसके अंदर दाखिल होने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो एट दैट टाइम फर्टिलाइजेशन कोन इज फॉर्म्ड. तो फर्टिलाइजेशन कोन इज फॉर्म्ड ड्यूरिंग द मीटिंग ऑफ द गैमेट्स. करेक्ट आंसर इज ए. पेरीविटेलाइन स्पेस इज फॉर्म्ड बिटवीन zona pellucida and vitelline membrane, plasma membrane and vitelline membrane, plasma membrane and fertilization membrane, fertilization membrane and vitelline membrane. तो पेरीविटेलाइन स्पेस इज फॉर्म्ड बिटवीन जोना पेलुसिडा एंड विटेलाइन स्पेस. इनके दरमियान जो इस जगह जो होती है, खाली जगह जो होती है, विच इज़ फील्ड विथ अ फ्लूइड, दिस स्पेस इज कॉल्ड एज अ पेरीविटेलाइन स्पेस. तो पेरीविटेलाइन स्पेस इज फॉर्म्ड और प्रेजेंट बिटवीन जोना पेलुसिडा एंड विटेलाइन मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ एग. Microlacethal egg is present in hen, sea urchin, snake, frog. Correct answer is sea urchin. Sea urchin के जो egg जो होते हैं, they are called as a microlacethal egg. Microlacethal egg means which having a very less amount of the yolk. तो हेन, स्नैक और फ्रॉग के एग जो होते हैं, दे हैविंग अ मॉडरेट, और हेन के एग में जो बहुत ज़्यादा योग पाया जाता है. इस स्नैक और फ्रॉग के जो एग होते हैं, दे हैविंग अ मॉडरेट अमाउंट ऑफ द योग, बट द एग ऑफ द सी अर्चिन हैविंग वेरी लेस अमाउंट ऑफ द योग. हेंस egg of the sea urchin is called as a microlacethal egg. In mammalian egg, secondary egg membrane is called vitelline membrane, कोरियन, जोना पेलुसिडा, डी जोना रेडिएटा. तो मेमेलियन एग के अंदर जो सेकेंडरी एग मेम्ब्रेन होती है उसको जो जोना रेडिएटा कहा जाता है. करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, जोना रेडिएटा. fertilization membrane is formed? Very simple. Correct answer is protect the polyspermy. D is correct answer. External fertilization is common in terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, oviparous animals, viviparous animals. External fertilization is commonly seen in aquatic animals and it takes place in the water. External fertilization में क्या होता है? Egg and sperms are released in water and in water media fertilization takes place outside the body of female. It is called as external fertilization. एंड इन वाटर मीडिया पानी के ही अंदर जो एग और स्पर्म्स रिलीज होते हैं तो एक्सटर्नल फर्टिलाइजेशन इज कॉमनली सीन इन एक्वेटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म. करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. बाय विच प्रोसेस फर्टिलाइजिंग molecules causes the clumping of sperm during fertilization. ऑप्शन है ए रियोटैक्सिस, बी थिग्मोटैक्सिस, सी कीमोटैक्सिस, डी फोटोटैक्सिस. डियर स्टूडेंट, correct answer is chemotaxis because both fertilizing and anti-fertilizings are made up of chemical substances और उनके दरमियान रिएक्शन होता है, hence it is called as a chemotaxis. तो ये जो प्रोसेस जो होता है fertilizing molecules causes the clumping of the sperm during the fertilization. जो fertilizing और anti-fertilizing के दरमियान में जो रिएक्शन जो होता है it is because of presence of the chemical substances present in the fertilizing or anti-fertilizing. Hence, this process or this phenomena is known as chemotaxis. Fertilization cone is formed from the sperm cytoplasm, egg cytoplasm, sperm nucleus, egg nucleus. तो fertilization cone is formed by egg cytoplasm. जब sperm try to penetrate inside the egg, at that time egg cytoplasm form fertilization cone. Actually fertilization cone is nothing but it is a path or way through which sperm enter inside the egg. तो इस तरीके से जो egg cytoplasms are involved in the formation of fertilization cone during the fertilization. In mammals, egg follicular cells are held together by substance called malonic acid, malic acid, hyaluronic acid, fumaric acid. So dear student, correct answer is C, because of the presence of the hyaluronic acid which is present in the acrosome of the sperm. स्पर्म में पाया जाता है जिसकी मदद से क्या होता है, एग फॉलिकुलर सेल्स आर हेल्ड टुगेदर. ये जो hyaluronic acid की वजह से जो all the egg and follicular cells are adhere with each other. Correct answer is hyaluronic acid. Thank you.